Class 10 Economics Chapter 3 Money and Credit. Money as a medium of exchange. In our previous video, we have learned about sectors of Indian economy, classification of sectors on different bases as sectors of economic activity based on ownership and based on working condition and features of NREGA. Today we are going to learn about money and credit. In this chapter, we will learn money as medium of exchange, two different credit situations, formal sector credit in India, self-help group for poor. Let us see the forms of money. In early ages, grains, cattle, metallic coins such as gold, silver, copper coins used as money in exchanging goods and services. The modern forms of money is currency, paper notes and coins, deposits in the bank accounts. In early ages, there was barter system for transactions. Let us see what is barter system. Barter system is a condition in which goods are exchanged without the use of money. In this system, goods directly exchanged. An essential feature of barter system is double concedence of funds, in which both the parties, seller and buyer, have to agree to buy and sell each other commodities. In double concedence of want, what a person desires to sell is exactly what the other wishes to buy. As for example, take the case of shoes manufacturer in double concedence of wants. If the shoes manufacturer directly exchange shoes for wheat, he would have to look for a wheat growing farmer who wants to sell wheat and buy shoes. Really, it is difficult. A person holding money can easily exchange it for any commodities, service that he or she might want. As for example, in case of shoes manufacturer, he will first exchange shoes for money and then exchange money for buying wheat. Money acts as an intermediate in the exchange process and eliminate the need for double concedence of wants. it is not necessary for the shoes manufacturer to look for farmer who will buy his shoes and at the same time sell him wheat. Once he has exchanged his shoes for money, he can purchase wheat or any other commodities in the market. As money acts here as intermediate, or it is called medium of exchange. Let us see the different phases of medium of exchange are. We will first talk about the ancient phase. It is the time before the introduction of coins. The barter system was used in exchange goods for goods. Next phase was the medieval phase. After barter system, metallic coins like gold, silver, and copper coins were used as medium of exchange. In modern phase, in this phase, currency notes as paper notes and coins are used as medium of exchange. We have seen that money is something that can act as a medium of exchange in transactions. In the next video, we will learn more about the modern forms of money. Thanks.